Hi, in this video we are going to talk about Python imports. So, uh, before talking about the import, let's see what module is and then how we can import a module into our file. So every file of Python code with .py extension is a module. Other file can have an access to these items. A module defined by importing that module. Whatever you are creating inside this py file, if you import this file into some other file, so you can access all the data inside the other file. So the import operation loads another file and give access to that file content through its attributes. So once we import a module, we can reference any of its public functions, classes and attributes. We can access its function with a module.function. For example, you created a hello function inside the ABC, and if you import ABC, then you are able to access ABC file through abc.hello. So whatever the directory is defined in sys.path, whenever you import a module, Python interpreter go and check each of the directories whether the module you are trying to import is there or not. If there, it will import, otherwise it will give you an error. So basically there are two ways to import a module. One is through import and other is through from. So there is a basic difference between these two methods. When we use import, then so Python loads the module into its own namespace, so that you have to add the module name followed by the dot in front of the reference to any names from the imported module that you refer to. From loads the Python module into the current namespace. So you can directly access the attributes without mentioning the module name. So examples for import, let's take if we import India. So if you want to access the states of India, so we need to type India.Karnataka. So if you are importing using from, so from India import star. Star means we want to import everything. So if you want to access any cities or states, we can directly import like Indian city. So we can directly say Karnataka and we can access any city from this. So here we can see if we are importing using from, we are directly accessing the state. If you are importing using import statement, we have to give the module name and the attribute. So here we are seeing the term namespace and attribute. Let me clear this first. So we are seeing two terms oftenly when we call. One is namespace, another is attribute. So what is namespace? When we come to the Python program, so Python program are composed of multiple modules, and these modules are linked together by import statement. So each module file, if we talk about module, so each module file is a self-contained package of variables. Self-contained package of variables, and this package is called the namespace. So once file cannot see the namespace defined in another file. For example, if you written many modules into your project, so let's say it's A, B and C. So whatever the variable inside A, B cannot see until you explicitly import A inside the B. And in same case, if C wants to see A and B, so you have to import B into the C. So if B imports A and you are importing B, then you are able to see both the variables from A and B. So second thing is attribute. So as we say, a module is just a package of variable names called namespace, and the name within that package are called attributes. So for example, you have a module. So this is called a namespace, and variables in this namespace are called attributes. In simple terms, we can say attribute is a variable name that is attached to a specific object like a module. So what is attribute? Attribute is any variable name that is attached to object. Example, module. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.